It finally came. The part. Kion Motorsports. I'm gonna really have fun with this thing, and I'm gonna show you guys as well. So let's start off the video. Hey guys, it's Charlotte Draws. I don't really make videos like these majority of the times. So 2 months ago, I bought me a 2003 350Z. I'm trying to make this into a car show vehicle. Not in a rush to get majority of these parts in the car, but I do plan on making this car beautiful as ever. There are maintenance problems that I gotta do with the car. There are paint stuff I gotta do to the car. I plan on wrapping the car, but it's not something I'm rushing on. The paint looks good still, yeah. When I got the car, it was covered in pollen, the brakes were messed up, there were spiders, ants, bugs, just bugs in general, and it stank really bad. So since I work at a detail spot in Ford, I managed to clean the baby up, and it works good and it's clean. All that's left is to make the car customization. So yeah, that's pretty good. So let's open this baby up and see what we got. Sporty looking. That's actually pretty good. Starting a vlog. That's strange. The bumper that I have is a JDM AM style bumper lip. But apparently I have to let it sit out here for a couple of minutes so it can get flexible and I can be able to put it on with ease. I did my research on it, and it probably won't be difficult. All it is a bunch of screws. Screw it on, get it on, and it's looking good.
1 hour later.
Okay, it has been over an hour now, and I'm pretty sure that it is ready. So let's get started, shall we? So it turns out the screwdriver that I need to put the part on, my dad has it in his work bag. I don't know when he gets home, but as soon as he gets home, we're gonna put it in. We're gonna see if the part fits on the car actually, and then we're gonna see if it looks good or not. So yeah. It fits. So it actually fits, okay. So all I gotta do is wait for my pops to get here so I can get that screwdriver. Another thing I forgot to say too, while I was driving, this whole piece of the car came off. My father is going to a junkyard so we can snag one off and then just slap it on and it'll look brand as new. Okay, so my pops is here. Now I got the drill. Now we can get ready to put the thing on the car. Alright, so the lip is on. I didn't screw it in yet, but I got the lip on. So it got a good look to it. It got a nice little sporty look than the rest of the car, but it looks good. I got these screws too, and I'm gonna paint them black, so when I screw them on there, they won't be like noticeable to the car. Okay, let's get started on this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 3 here one on this side, 2 on the other end, and at the same time it's gonna be at the same way. So I'm just trying to figure out how to get these bolts in, but it's like I get this baby up. So there's like a gap here, but I know a lot of other people in 350Zs have this exact problem, but it's in here. So all I gotta do is test drive it, make sure it stays on, and then yeah, that'll be good. Okay, the glorious front lip is on, and it actually looks good. The bulb actually hides the silverness to it, so it gives out the good look. So yeah, it actually looks really good. I like it. I like it. I love it. I like it. It looks good. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching me install this front bumper lip. I probably made the worst car video, first ever car video of my channel ever. You guys will probably see more of these. If it comes to that, I'll probably make a new channel dedicated to my car video. But other than that, yeah, it's just how it is, how I'm gonna do. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like what you saw today, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.